Ward's Toys, y'all. Another Pokemon opening up, and today we'll be opening up Palisade Evolve. I've been doing pretty good with these right here, so I hope the luck continues. Let me see what we get. Alright, y'all, here goes the QR code. Alright, let's see what we get. See if we get anything good. Anything. Well, hope y'all's day's doing good. Mine's doing good so far. Oh, reverse shiny. Another reverse shiny. I don't think I've gotten them two yet. And what did we get? A low kick. Alright, y'all, and we had Leaf again. Alright, y'all, not no major hit in this one right here, but as always, next time. And I hope y'all have a great day today. Ward's Toys out of here.